Alright guys, welcome back for another video. I haven't done a video in a couple weeks because of bot commissions. This is actually a suggestion video, so we're going to go ahead and get this going. This suggested video is for suggestions. This is going to be part one of two. My next video is probably going to be part two. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. We're going to create a table here. And this one, we're just going to call it suggestions. Suggestions. And then all we're going to need with this one, we're going to need guild ID, the suggestion. We're going to need the user's ID. That'll be used in the next video. What else are we going to need? We will need, we can do a custom ID. This will help a ton as well. And that's pretty much it. Let me fix this really quick. There we go. There we go. That's what it was. I was forgetting that. There we go. Much better. All right, so that's going to basically just create the database for this portion. And so from there, let's go ahead. We'll make our suggestion file. And let me copy this actually as well. So I'm gonna utilize Copilot for this. You guys can get Copilot. It's $10 a month. It's not bad, especially if you do a lot of coding. And wow, that just, yep. Okay, so we're gonna require our / command builder. And we're going to open this up. We're going to call this suggest. Yeah, that works out really good. And with this, all we're going to need is a string option. So that one Copilot was suggesting is actually perfect for this. So we're going to go ahead and open it up on the execute. And with this, I'm going to paste that in. What in the hell? Okay. That's weird. Visual Studio Code just for some reason got a constant like that. Okay. So we're going to pull our option. And then from there, we're just going to break it down. Copilot wants to do that. I don't want to do that because we're going to be actually grabbing it. We're actually going to be grabbing it anyways from the database. And that's good. So there we go. Now we can call that for the log channel. Let's go ahead. We're going to make the embed here. We'll make this one bold and say like new suggestion. Yeah, that'll be good. And then the description can just be the suggestion. We aren't going to add any, checks for length on that. We'll leave that up to you guys to do that. And I'm going to paste this in here. You guys can pause right here. I pasted that in. I use this on a lot of my bots. It auto-generates IDs for me. So, yeah. And here we go. We're going to go ahead. Why does it want to get row? That's weird. Nope, we are not doing that. We are going to open this up in an if statement. And we're going to say, hey, if there's not a log channel, it's going to return. It's not going to execute unless the guild itself has ran /setup. And we're also going to check to make sure that the channel's still valid. And then we're going to go ahead and send. So we are going to generate the ID, and we're calling the function for generating the ID there. Copilot wants to do React. I'm going to delete that in a second because we're going to do that on the next video. And we're going to make it really nice, and you'll see why we needed the user ID and all that fun stuff. I figure we'll get this portion knocked out today. And then the next one, we're going to make it really cool. So let's go ahead and delete that. There is a portion that I'm going to skip in this video that has to do with generate ID. There's something, if you read the code, check it out. But let's go into the Discord real quick and let's run the setup. Let's set up the channel. Yeah, it's that one. We're going to set it to general. Perfect. All right, and now we're going to run /suggest and test. Oop, there's an error. Let's go over there. DB is not defined. Oh, okay. Yep. It's client.db. Totally skipped that. Let's see. And there's another one right there, client.db. And yeah, that's good. That's it. All right, so we're going to go ahead. We're just going to restart the bot. And let's go back to Discord. And this should work. So we're going to run test. There it is. My picture. Bam. Right there. And that is a successful suggestion. But it's missing some key stuff in embeds. I always like putting more information in embeds than needed. So we're going to go ahead and change that up here. But what we're also going to do is see this channel.send. We're going to add a catch to this. So if for some reason the bot doesn't have permissions to send to this channel, it's actually going to alert you saying, hey, I don't have permissions. So it's not going to crash the bot. That's just a really crappy way to crash the bot. So we're going to change this to, I don't know, we'll make it something fun. There we go. Am I lacking perms or what? There we go. And so inside the embed itself, what we're going to do, let's add some fields. So since this is JSON, oh, hey, look at that. It auto-completed that. But that's totally bad. That's not what we want. It auto-generated that for us. And, okay, it looks like it's wanting to auto-generate that for us as well. Yeah, we'll just go ahead and do that. And that actually looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and start the bot again. Head over to Discord and just make sure that it's tagging. Perfect. So as you can see, it is tagging me. I can click me and it is showing up. Perfect. So yeah, the Easter egg on this video, there's something with generate ID. You guys need to figure that part out. It's going to be a fun one. And if you get the answer, post about it.